Welcome to our planet, a world covered by vast oceans, continents, and majestic ice. But what if all that ice were to disappear? What would happen to Earth if all the ice melted? Stick around, and let's dive into the science behind this icy mystery and the surprising effects it could have on our world. Earth's ice is mostly stored in two places, Antarctica and Greenland. Combined, they hold about 70% of the world's fresh water. But ice isn't just frozen water. It plays a key role in regulating our climate. So what would happen if it all melted? The first and perhaps most obvious consequence is rising sea levels. Right now, over 10% of Earth's surface is covered by glaciers and ice sheets. If all of that ice melted, global sea levels would rise by about 70 meters. To put that into perspective, that's roughly the height of a 23-story building. Cities like New York, London, and Shanghai, home to millions of people, would be underwater. Coastal communities around the world would be devastated and entire regions would be forced to relocate inland. But it's not just about rising sea levels. The sudden influx of fresh water into the oceans would drastically disrupt ocean currents. The global conveyor belt, also known as the thermohaline circulation, which moves warm and cold water around the planet, could slow down or even stop. This would have profound effects on global weather patterns, potentially leading to more extreme weather events, like stronger storms, intense droughts, and unpredictable climates. And let's not forget about the wildlife. Polar bears, penguins, seals, all species that rely on ice would face extinction. The Arctic and Antarctic ecosystems, finely tuned to the presence of ice, would collapse. Biodiversity would suffer as these environments disappear, causing ripple effects throughout the food chain. Now, while melting ice is bad news for many, there's also the flip side: new land exposure. As glaciers retreat, previously inaccessible areas like Antarctica would be revealed. This could potentially open up new opportunities for agriculture or mining, but at what environmental cost? A melting Earth would also lead to a vicious cycle of warming. Ice acts as a giant mirror, reflecting sunlight and keeping the planet cooler. Without it, Earth would absorb more heat, speeding up global warming even further. This feedback loop could send temperatures skyrocketing, with dramatic consequences for ecosystems worldwide. But wait, before we panic, let's get back to reality. Scientists predict that a complete ice melt would take thousands of years. While climate change is accelerating ice loss, we still have time to take action. Reducing carbon emissions, protecting ecosystems, and developing sustainable technologies can help slow down the melting and prevent the worst-case scenario. So, while the idea of all the ice melting might seem like science fiction, it's a stark reminder of how interconnected our world is. The choices we make today will shape the future of our planet. If you found this video eye-opening, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more science-based content. Let's work together to protect our planet, one step at a time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.